Padlocks can be used to secure all sorts of things, from bikes and sheds to luggage and toys. But how do you know which one to choose? In this video, we will outline the different types of padlock available and how you can determine which is the best for you. Choosing the right padlock will depend on the type of application you want to use it for. This will determine what size of padlock is required and what level of security you need. You'll also need to decide on what level of corrosion resistance is required, depending on whether the padlock is for inside or outside use. For a padlock intended for use outdoors, you will need a padlock suitable for use in outdoor conditions. And for padlocks which will be submerged in water, you'll need to opt for stainless steel. Other factors you'll need to consider are thickness of shackle. The thicker the shackle, the more cut, twist and saw resistance. Material of shackle. For example, a hardened steel shackle would be more resistant to attack than brass. Cylinder. The cylinder in a maximum security padlock has higher drill protection. Padlock plating. Good quality plating enables longer life protection against corrosion. Type of locking. For example, a padlock locked with a key offers higher security protection than a combination padlock. Most Yale padlocks are tested to EN 12320 2001 standard, and all are tested to Australian standard AS 4145.4. All padlocks undergo rigorous security tests, including pull, cut, impact and twist testing. The maximum security padlocks in our range are also saw and drill tested. Here we show you a Yale Y300 maximum security padlock being subjected to the various tests at an accredited test lab. During the pull test, the shackle of the padlock is subjected to a pull force of 30 kilonewtons. Here you see it withstanding up to 47 kilonewtons. During the cut test, the shackle of the padlock is subjected to a cutting force of 35 kilonewtons. Here you see it withstanding up to 57 kilonewtons. For the impact test, the padlock is chilled to -20 degrees Celsius and is subjected to 5 impacts from a 3.05 kilogram weight at 1 metre high. During the saw test, the shackle of the padlock is subjected to 2 minutes of sawing with a steel hacksaw blade at an applied load of 90 newtons. During the drill test, the cylinder of the padlock is subjected to 2 minutes of high-speed drilling with a steel drill bit. Here you can see the cylinder is still intact and can be opened with the key. During the twist test, the shackle and the padlock body are forced in opposing directions to withstand a force of 450 Newton meters. Here you see it withstanding 750 Newton meters. As you can see, the padlock and shackle are still intact. All Yale padlocks feature clear packaging which outlines whether the padlock is standard, high or maximum security. They also show clear icons on the pack, depending on the features of each lock. Here we show these icons and what they relate to, so you'll easily be able to determine which padlock you need. For optimum performance, lubricate the cylinder of your padlock regularly with a Teflon base lubricant. To see our full range of security products and to see other Yale how-to videos, visit www.yale.co.uk and click on the Yale Security TV icon.